Okay, ठीक है. Fine. Okay, guys, streaming started. Okay, guys. So I have already streaming the video. You can get it. Go to YouTube, search Sambotion. I think you will find the live. দাঁড়া খুঁজে তো বলেও দিচ্ছি. So I'm just going here in YouTube, YouTube, and then I'm going to searching Shamboshan and the SQL class. No, not SQL class. Shamboshan. হ্যাঁ কি বললি? এই live this one. Then sorry, so this is the live one. It's already in live stream. Chalo. I'm বাবা রে ঠিক আছে audio is too perfect তোদের এই সব মেশিন লাগানো না okay guys, so let us start then. Today's topic is access. As I have told you that it's a very like database management tool, only database management tool you so the first quad A, I think this is the first and last tool you will learn, which is connected with database. In your next quad, next quad, this is your second quad. In your third quad, we are planning some Power BI classes and SQL classes also. Then you will deal with, like, you will be able to do SQL little bit, Power BI, several other stuff. But Access is the, you can say, the mother of all DBMS tool. So you should learn it. So see how to install, not install, how to work with Access. So I'm just writing access opening. So this is the page. I think whoever, like, I think jaderi laptop install ache, I think you have opened this, right? So look at this. First option is coming blank database. So I'm just clicking on that blank database, and it's saying that what will be the name of the database. Okay, guys, before creating any database, one thing, database means what? Database means, do you think that only one table? Actually, it's not that. Please come in. Actually, it's not that, guys. Sunchi Shavai, madam, database means it's not just one table. Database means several tables can be there. Multiple tables can be there, but there should be relation between them. You remember when we did DBMS in class, then I gave example of BIBS that fees is one department, accounts is one department, faculty one department, student one department. So how the communication, the relationship is very important. So DBMS is like a set of table where a lot of relationships, several things are established. So we will do something like that now. Say this. I am just giving a name to the database. Here is written database 2. So instead of that, I am writing that let's say DEM. Not just anything. Clicking on create. So after creating, I am getting this page. From the last page, is it visible? Visible properly? Visible, right? So দেখতে পাচ্ছিস? Otherwise, I can use magnifier. Then I think it will be easy for you. I magnify easy kori. Now tell me. Now it's clear. Okay. Now say this. So this page will open. I am just showing you the left uppermost corner. So here you can see clearly under the tables, only one table is written, that is table 1. And in table 1 is asking ID is one column and next column nothing. They are saying that click to add. So today we are going to create two tables. Okay. First table is about us, students. Amader. Ki data thakbe hote? What is my name? And then what is my, let's say, favorite food? And in what quantity I can have it. Let's say I am writing biryani. I can have 2 plates. Or let's say you are writing that momo. Then you can write that I can have around 20 pieces. So these 3 fields will be there. So first one is name, right? So when you are creating a table in database, look at this. In the table, what I have said, a database consists of several tables, and one table is consist of several fields, isn't it? and several field থাকবে different data, right? So I'm just going to this click to add drop down. You're asking that what kind of data type, what data type. So name should be what kind of data type? I think name should be, sir, short text is fine. If it is address, then I can have long text, but I think short text is good. So I'm clicking on short text. Now you're asking that what will be the name of the field? It's saying field one. So I think name of the field should be name, isn't it? Name. Done. Now is asking name. Okay, okay. Still I want to give name. Done. Now is asking that what is the next column? Next column is what? I told you that next column should be our favorite food, right? So I'm just giving again short text. I'm writing food. Good. This is also done. Now he's asking that what is the third column? Third column is quantity, right? Or number of pieces or something like this. So that is, I think that should be number, isn't it? So I'm just clicking on number and name. I'm writing number itself. ঠিক আছে? All good, guys? বোঝা যাচ্ছে তো? So I have now added 3 columns. Then it's asking what is the fourth column. I don't want to add any fourth column. One thing you must have noticed, sir, you are saying fourth column, but sir, in this table ID there is a column name ID. What is that? Have you seen me creating this? You haven't seen me, right? So then from where it came? Access normally क्या करते हैं ना? Access automatically एक field add कर देते हैं to maintain the primary key or the uniqueness. In other table, in SQL and the other table, it's upon us to add a unique table. Here also you can change the primary key, ID to something else. But by default, one primary key दे देते हैं. Now you may ask, sir, वो ID नाम change करके roles or something like this, can I give? You can give, no problem. You can change that name. Like just look at this. I'm just clicking on this, clicking and I can change it. Let's say roll number. Roll number. Done. Okay. Yes, please come in. Sorry, what's the name? Shananda. Say thank you first. Good. But ladies মেজর তুই পড়লি কি করে? আমি তাই ভাবছি। দেখতে খুব বাজে লাগবে, মানে কাটটাই তো ডিফারেন্ট হয় না। Anyways, so now the roll number. So roll number and name. So one by one. Naam bol. Bol. Any name? Any name? Nirmallo. Nirmallo. Nirmalloর ফেভারিট ফুড হচ্ছে বিরিয়ানি। বিরিয়ানি নির্মাল্য খেতে পারে 3 প্লেট একসাথে। দেন অন্তরিক্ষ। বাবা ওর নামটা বড় বড় রে। আরো আজে বাজে কিছু লিখে দেবো, বলিস না কিছু। ফুড, পান। পান পান খেতে পারে একসাথেও 5টা। নাও গৌরব। গৌরব আবার বিরিয়ানি খেতে পারে ও 2টো। নাও কে? হ্যাঁ, উৎসব। উৎসব ভি হবে। ঠিক আছে, ও ধর খেতে পারে পনির, ও 10 পিস খেতে পারে। আরে সিং ধরে নেই। তুহিন। হ্যাঁ, দাঁড়া না দাঁড়া, এটা দিয়ে হচ্ছে বেবিকর্ন। আচ্ছা বেবিকর্ন ক পিস খেতে পারে? বেবিকর্ন 100 পিস খেতে পারে। 100 প্লেট? সৌব্রত, সৌম, সৌমব্রত খেতে পারে ধর বলছি না, ও পনির। পনির। সৌরব্রত ক্যান হ্যাভ অ্যারাউন্ড 8 না 8 না 12টা পনির খেতে পারে। আর 2টো। আর এনিথিং এলস? পূর্ণিমা, রূপসা। আচ্ছা রূপসা, পূর্ণিমা। পূর্ণিমা স্ম্যাশ পটেটো। that আলু মাখা ও চারটে খেতে পারে and Rupsa wants let's say momo হ্যাঁ বাস ডান কি অনেকেই বাকি আছে অনেকে একদম কনফার্মটাও আমি লিখে দিতে পারি এখন বিকজ আফটার দ্যাট ট্রেক I know a lot of stuff anyways so so guys so this table we have now with us now the thing is what is the name of the table is given table 1 right so look I'm just saving it right now the table is not being saved it's not Google Sheet ये automatically save नहीं होते sir we have to save it so how to save it I'm going here clicking on save this one if I click on save it's asking that what will be a table name will be table 1 let's say I want to change the table name to let's say students এই তো দেখ just left up corner look save option click on save and then table name I'm giving students okay clicking on OK done so now table name so now the table name check is showing student can you see left side is showing student so table name is been saved now now see guys right now the table is opened in a tabular format we can see the data itself another one view is there Achha, what is view I'm just clicking on this view option say this right now they are saying that we are in data sheet view that means whatever we are seeing that is a data sheet view here we can see all the information all the you can say tuples all the values if I go to the design view see guys if I go to the design view see what is happening I'm just clicking on design view okay whenever I'm clicking on design view it's showing that each and every field what is the data type but another one very unique thing I think you have noticed just beside roll number can you see a small key sign can you see a small key sign is there what is the meaning of that key sign Shamit sir আমি ক্লাসে আছি সমিতা আমি ভিডিও তোমায় করছি ঠিক আছে আমি বলে দিয়েছি স্টুডেন্টদেরকে করতে ওরা করবে আমি এখন তো ফিডব্যাক দিতে পারছি না না আমি ক্লাস থেকে বেরিয়ে করছি ওকে okay so one this key means primary key first Microsoft Office guys first Microsoft Office brought this key thing and this name primary key came from Microsoft Access itself this is the main like background that's why this is called primary key because one key is there that is primary you may say sir can we change the key or can we do multiple keys you cannot do multiple primary key is always only one so can we change the primary key can we do food primary key okay how to change it then look at this I'm just selecting food and clicking on primary key look done I have clicked and it's been taken very good now I'm just saving it okay whenever I'm saving it it's giving an error please read the error and tell me what is the error it's saying that the changes you requested to the table were not successful because they would create duplicate values in the index primary key food we have taken primary key right tell me in the food column unique values were there একটু ভেবে দেখ বিরিয়ানি তো 2-3 टाइम्स আছে पनीर भी था 1-2 बार तो रिपीट हो रहा था ना so it's not unique in nature so how you can say food is a primary key look at this they are not allowing me this is database proper DBMS will not allow redundant data in the primary key section so I can make so you can say acha ye to nahi ho raha hai then can we have to just reverting it back kaise revert kar sakte hain I am just changing the primary key to this roll number 1 रोल नंबर जो था उसको ही प्राइमरी भी बना दे रहे हैं सर, सेव कर रहे हैं, सेव हो गया, डन। আমি প্রাইমারি কিটা চেঞ্জ করার চেষ্টা করে দেখলাম, ইউ ডোন্ট হ্যাভ টু ডু ইট। কে বললি আরেকবার? ইউ ডোন্ট হ্যাভ টু ডু ইট, আই এম জাস্ট শোয়িং দ্যাট ইউ ক্যানট মেক ফুড এ প্রাইমারি কি। ইফ ইউ মেক ফুড এ প্রাইমারি কি and if you click on save, it will give you error. What error? That you cannot make food primary key because food is there, lot of repeated values are there in the food column. A primary key means unique. All the data should be unique in nature. Done, guys? So now I'm just clicking on cancel and then cancel, and then I'm just going to roll number, clicking on primary key. Done. जैसा था ऐसे ही कर दिया मैंने पहले, हो गया। नाउ आई विल शो यू हाउ टू रन ए क्वेरी। ए বাইরে কি রে? আচ্ছা, ওটা লক করা যায় না তোদের? আচ্ছা, করা যায়। সো নাও দ্য থিং ইজ নেক্সট পার্ট, হাউ টু রান এ কোয়েরি। দেখ ভালো করে কোয়েরি কি করে রান করে। गाइस see this, I am just now closing it, let's say मेरा तो ये सब काम हो गया, डिजाइन, अच्छा नो कैंसिल कर देते हैं। I am just going back to the datasheet view. Yes, do you want to save it? Yes, save हो गया। Now see this, guys, I am going to create. We were in home, right? Now we are going to create. So we are going to create a query. So what is query? First the question is, what is query? Any idea what query is, guys? Query is a question. Very good. So we will ask a question to this access, and I need the proper answer from the access also. Sir, question answer data set को like I'm not getting. Suppose I am asking, अच्छा कौन-कौन स्टूडेंट का बिरयानी पसंद है? I just want the name. Access should be able to give it to me. So these are query. So how to run a query? Say this. I'm just going to query design. Okay. Clicking on query design. is asking that okay query design का wizard open हो गया। मैं बन ना अभी बार ये magnifier close कर रहा हूँ, query design open हो गया। But see guys, in this canvas nothing is there, is blank, nothing is there। I'm just going to the right side corner, देख right side corner, see it's saying that student table is there। Apart from student, suppose 2-3 tables are there in this database, you can see those tables are here, but right now we have only one table, that's why student is showing। What I'm doing, see, I'm just dragging the students and bringing it in the canvas of this query। That means from now on we will do everything like we will run some query on this database or this table। आ गया sir। Now if I go down, see this, there is a place, this is the place where you have to write the query। See what query I am writing। তোরা একটা যে কোনো প্রশ্ন কর ডেটা থেকে, ধরে নে বলছিস যে tell me কারা এমন or give me only their name who loves paneer, only their name who loves paneer, ठीक है। So what I am doing, I am going to the field, tell me what do you want, name चाहिए ना, so name दे रहा हूं मैं। Now और एक field क्या चाहिए, और सर name को छोड़ो, name के बिना और कुछ चाहिए, food we need, so I am just doing on food। अच्छा, is there any criteria? Yes, criteria is there, that is paneer। So where is the criteria column? Here is the criteria part, here just write bus, that কি করছি। So here how I have dragged this in, you have seen। কোনটা করব? আচ্ছা দাঁড়া, এটাকে এখন ডিলিট করা যাবে? হ্যাঁ ডিলিট করছি। I am saying that if you click on create and এটা তো বুঝেছিস কি করে এটা ক্রিয়েট করলাম। আচ্ছা দাঁড়া, নো, I was here, I want to run a query or I want to create a query because I have to like I need to ask something and the access or the database should give me a data। So what I am doing, I am going to create and clicking on query design। লিখে তুই কোন, আরে why are you writing? That is the reason I am doing live stream, that's the reason I am doing live stream, and it will be there in YouTube, so you can play it several times and you can see. তুই লিখে না বুঝতে পারবি না, you will not understand that কি হচ্ছে, তুই দেখ মন দিয়ে. So I'm just going to this create query and clicking on like I am in this particular phase now. Sujish. So in this, I can clearly see this canvas is blank. Look at it, this canvas is blank because there is no table involved. I know that only one student table is there. So I'm just dragging it inside the context. That means from now on, we will run a query on this particular table. Now, what is the logic? Logic is what? I need only their name, who loves paneer, right? So I'm writing, I'm just going to the field, look at this. I'm just going to the field section, I'm writing name, and then I'm writing food, and what is the criteria? Paneer. So I'm writing paneer. Done. Sir, query writing done. I just have to run it. Look at this. I'm going upward, left corner, and clicking on run. See the outcome. Look at this. Utsav and Somobroto. Getting it? So whenever I'm running something, the data is coming into me in front of me fraction of second. You may say, sir, ये तो filter करने से भी हो जाता Excel में. That is true. But in Excel, if you filter, you will have all the columns, only these two names, but not only just food, quantity भी आ जाता, isn't it? You cannot just remove it. वो आ जाएगा. But यहाँ पे you can control what you need. Let's say I just want to change little bit in the query. मैं एक बार वापस जा रहा हूँ query design view में. ये देख, ये तो query design है. Let's say I don't want to see the paneer one. I want to see only the name. But the logic should be paneer. But only the name. Then just untick this. If you untick this, then run Utsav and Somobroto. Why did it? No, not because of that. There is no reason. In your table, how many times your name is there? Then to আসার কথা নয়. Have you taken two tables in the canvas? Only one. What is the logic you have written? Just paneer yourself. Paneer was there just beside your name. Oh, you wrote Momo. No. Then you must have done something wrong. Well, Okay, fine. Fine, guys. So now let's say, oh, শুনছিস সবাই? ফিরে আয়, ফিরে আয়. Please come, return back. Guys, now let's say my logic is a little bit different. I want to know on basis of quantity. मतलब कौन 10 से ज्यादा आइटम खाते हैं, 10 से ज्यादा. So what to give in the logic? Shall I write food and paneer? I don't think this is needed anymore. So I'm just removing this and I am writing, I do not need food now. I need number. And the criteria is greater than equal to 10. That's ज़्यादा ना. Now run it. I think it's clear now, everyone, how to run a query. But still, you may say, sir, this is what is unique in this? Like Access में जो हो रहा है, ये तो Excel में होगा ना. इतना भी टफ नहीं है, Excel में हो सकता है. थोड़ा सा कॉपी पेस्ट करना पड़ेगा, बट हो जाएगा. Now I'm going to show you what is the relationship between table. मैंने बहुत around last 2 क्लास से एक ही चीज बोल रहा हूँ बार बार. Again and again I'm telling you that relationship between table is very important, right? Connection between two tables. What's that? So let's do that. So now for that we need to create another one table. So I'm just creating another one table here. Say this. So query तो मेरा हो गया. Query को delete कर दे. You want to save? No, छोड़ दे. ये सब query छोड़ दे. Table तो एक है ही. So how to create a table? There is a create option. I'm going to create. And look, table option is there. ठीक है? I'm clicking on table. Now you're asking again create table. I think you all know, right, how to create the table. So now the table will be about the price. Price means like this is my food. Food name should be there and the price should be there. So I'm just, what are the foods were there? I'm writing that ball. Very good. বুঝতে পেরেছিস? Very good. দুবার আছে. তাহলে কি করব? দেখাচ্ছি. Good question. Oh, he is technical. That's why he knows that. He know what is the main thing here in this table. The major thing is food, right? What will be the common field between two tables? The food itself. So to create relationship, we have to take the primary key. But primary key तो नहीं हो पाएगा sir. उसमें repetition है. Then कैसे होगा? I'm coming to this. See. So I'm just not giving the name food. I'm writing khabar. Just ऐसे ही. I can give anything. Same नाम नहीं दे रहा हूँ ऐसे ही. कोई and now the price. Price for the currency. Price. So one by one কি food ছিল বল? First was biryani. Biryani 250. আর কি ছিল বল? Momo was there. Momo was there. Let's say Momo 15 rupees per piece. Pan per piece 20 টাকা. হ্যাঁ তাই তো. তুই ওয়া মোমো কেন ভাবছিস? Think about আমাদের কাকুর দোকানের মোমো. Apart from these, anything else was there? I think paneer was there, right? Aloo makha. Paneer I am writing, let's say per piece 10 টাকা ধর. আলু মাখা, হ্যাঁ আলু মাখা 5 টাকা. Anything else was there? Not there, but still I am adding some more. Okay, ধর cold drinks, price 25 rupees. এক পিস আলু মাখা 5 টাকাই নেয় দোকানে. I'm not talking about ভজরি মান্না, I'm talking about ওই এই এখানে প্রিয়াঙ্কা বলে একটা দোকান আছে না, ডু ইউ নো প্রিয়াঙ্কা বলে একটা দোকান, এটা খুব ভালো ভাত ফাত পাওয়া যায় কিন্তু, ইউ ক্যান হ্যাভ ইট, এই লেক ভিউ ক্যাম্পাস থেকে রাইট সাইডে স্ট্রেট, প্রিয়াঙ্কা ভালো, খুব ভালো, কোয়ালিটি বেস্ট এই অঞ্চলে। আচ্ছা দেন আই এম রাইটিং ধরে নে, আর কি দেবো, গোল্ড ফ্লেক, দাম হচ্ছে 10 টাকা, বাস এই গিল্ড হয়ে গেল, হ্যাঁ গিল্টই বটে, গিল্ড ফেক। Okay, so this table is there. Now I'm just going to the view, design view. So now you're asking that what will be the table name? Table name I'm giving, let's say food preference or something, price or menu I'm writing. Okay. So this is what view, sir, madam? This is the design view, right? This is a design view. We were in datasheet view, we were in this, now going to design view. এটা সবাই বুঝতে পারছিস তো, how to open the design view one, easy. Now I'm going down, sorry, not going down, I'm just checking the primary key. ID is the primary key, right? In this case, you tell me what should be the primary key for a menu card or something. For a menu card, I think the food name should be primary key. Have you seen a menu card where one food is there multiple times? Biryani different flavor, mutton, chicken, like this may happen, but may be there, but একটা নাম তো একবারই থাকবে, right? You cannot write that momo 100 টাকা plate and then again momo 150 plate. You cannot do it. It should be different somehow, some flavor wise maybe. So I'm just going to this khabar one and making it primary key, because now we are going to create a relationship between them. You may ask, sir, ये relationship करके फायदा क्या है? Guys, एक बार please tell me, in table 1, what are the fields we are having? Name, food, और quantity, और roll number, quantity. और second table में क्या क्या है? Quantity जगह number लिखिए, ठीक है? Food and price. Now my question is, tell me, which student is expensive? Can you give the result? Can you give the answer from one table? Which student is expensive? Means suppose I have to make her happy, then how much money I have to spend? Who is expensive in nature? হ্যাঁ, বেবি কর্নটা মিস করে গেছি, থাক মিস করতে দে, এটাও তাহলেও একটা রিয়েল একটা লাইক রিয়েল কেস, রাইট? हो सकता है. Now the thing is, if I ask a question that tell me who is expensive, কাকে হ্যাপি করতে গেলে একটু এক্সপেন্সিভ হবে? আচ্ছা, can we get this answer from any one table? No, sir. We have to take reference of these two tables. This is what relationship is. See, in any organization, you cannot give the answer from only one table or one like database. You have to connect different. Now, how to connect this relationship? See, I'm just saving this first. So I'm clicking on save. हो गया है सेव सर. नाउ क्या करना पड़ेगा? क्वेरी डिजाइन, राइट? सो आई एम जस्ट क्लिकिंग ऑन क्वेरी डिजाइन. सर मैडम সবাই দেখ কিন্তু এটা যেটা ইন্টারেস্টিং, whenever I am clicking on query design is open query. Okay, good. टेबल सर्विस क्लोज कर दिया मैंने. टेबल सर क्वेरी में ब्लैंक है, क्यों? because I have not dragged any table into the canvas yet. So how to bring the tables inside the canvas? I'm going to the right side corner. I'm taking this menu and student both. Okay. Okay, good morning করে তোল তো, এই যে ওকে মর্নিং, গুড মর্নিং করে তোল. ওই গুড মর্নিং স্যার ম্যাডাম. Please have some medicine. है तेरे पास मेडिसिन? ये मेरे हम लोग के पास है नीचे. She can have $0 or you can go right now. मेडिसिन शॉप में ही आना पड़ेगा. स्टाफ रूम में जा, सुलक्षणा मैम इज देयर, टेक के $0 फ्रॉम देयर. और मेडिसिन बॉक्स है ना उसके अंदर ही है, ठीक है? $0 है और हाइपेनएक पी है, दोनों ही ये टूथ पेन के लिए। अनुज सर के पास तो होगा ही होगा, अनुज सर इज सफरिंग थ्रू दिस नाउ। जा जा जा। Okay guys, we have taken these two tables. Now see, সব দেখছিস? Now see how I am establishing the relationship. I am dragging this khabar and putting it on food. Done. I am just dragging this khabar, that I am deleting it. I am just dragging this khabar and putting it on the food, because the relationship will be on this, right? Bas connected. These two tables are connected now. Easy to create relationship, nothing else. Relationship created. Now let us run the query. What was our query? Who is more expensive, right? Chalo. So I'm just going to this. I'm just going to this query. Acha, what are the things I need? Then now can you see lot of different fields are coming, because दोनों table का आ रहा है ना, because join हो गया है अभी. So I want the name. So name is student name, and I need what? I need the खाबार का नाम भी I can take, and the price. What is the logic of the price should be? Price should be greater than, let's say, greater than 50 rupees होगा तो expensive है. 50 rupees से less जो है आलू मखा वो ठीक है. So 50 से ज़्यादा होगा तो expensive. So in the logic I am giving criteria greater than equals to 50. चलो, I need only their name. जो लोग expensive है, मतलब 50 से ज़्यादा उसको spend करना पड़ेगा. So if I run it, see the outcome. Run query design में जाके run. Look at this. Nirmalu and Gaurav's names are coming. And multiply করছি না আমি, আমি এখন শুধু তোর ইউনিটটাই নিচ্ছি, মাল্টিপ্লাই আমি পরে করে দেখাবো তোদের। So you are saying that number দিয়ে multiply করা তো? I have not done that. I'm just checking the price. So now they say, guys, this table, what do you think? From which table they have dragged this? There is like they have merged these two tables and they have created this. This is DBMS. In DBMS, you can create the relationship and you can create your own table. It can be any kind, any number of columns can be there, any number of row can be there, anything you can bring. But you have to create this relationship. Suppose I want to know that quantity wise ज़्यादा कौन सा student है. So I'm just going back to the design view. I'm taking खाबार, price and the quantity also. Quantity कहाँ है? Number. And quantity का logic है 2 से ज़्यादा है, greater than 2. I'm just showing you by giving multiple criteria. If I run it, it's asking only Nirmalu is there, who can have 3 biryani, greater than 2. Greater than equal to করলে তো 2 থাকতো, শুধু 2টাও consider করতো. I think you are getting it, guys. This is access. Don't you think that it's a very useful thing? Like if you have several tables, if you can create relationship, Tora, right now you are working with a lot of data, right? So Shubhadeep bolchilo, have you got it? Anuj sir नहीं है, क्लास के बाद मेरे साथ जाना. I know, but in the medicine box you have not got anything. पता है क्या हुआ है? सब चेक में चला गया है. चेक, अच्छा ठीक है, কার কাছে মেডিসিন ছিল? हाँ, वो ट्रेक क्लब में गया है, वो वापस भी नहीं आया, वहां पे ही गुम हो गया. ওখানে না, ওখানে দেখ ট্রেক ক্লাব में যাকে মোটামুটি ধরে নে 2 পাতা জিনট্যাক্স শেষ হয়েছে, অ্যাভোমিন আরো অনেক কিছু শেষ হয়েছে, আর বললাম না বেশি স্যার. हाँ, वीडियो ऑलरेडी दिया है, यूट्यूब खोल. ओके, डन गाइस. In your exam, table will be given to you. You have to create the table. You have to run a query. Bus. In a worst case scenario, the faculty can tell you to create the relationship and give the query. And you will do it. Simple. This is access. 8 years, bus. Now. কোনটা বলি বাবা? Definitely I will do it. And another one thing, guys, later when we will do SQL, this knowledge will definitely give you a lot of boost, because same concept is exactly same, but instead of doing join this way, there I have to write this join this table, bus. Okay, we have to run the query, but this is the background, this is how it works. Now see you at view exam. Bye bye. Save. তোদের কোনো রুটিন পাস করো, প্র্যাকটিক্যাল দেয়নি এক্সামের পর, আই থিঙ্ক আফটার 1 week মেবি, 28-এর আগে, হ্যাঁ 25-26. So I'm just stopping the streaming. Bye bye everyone. Subscribe my channel. No, sorry, don't subscribe. अरे मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए, मत कर। কেন করেছিস, করে কি লাভ? Yes, sure.